right, so this is what I like to use. It's called Shaper Trace by Shaper Origin. It's a handheld CNC, but it works for anything to turn it into a vector. And this is what you're gonna get, this little plastic frame with all these dots. And you just need a blank piece of paper. And it also comes with this nice little pen. You can use a pencil, it really doesn't matter. But let's say I needed to get the actual outline of this oval keychain. So I'm gonna put it on there. I try to center it as best I can. And you wanna make sure that it does not move. Get your little pen out, hold this down, and then I'll try to stretch it out a little bit and then just trace and try to be as precise as possible. It will pick up on little imperfection movements. So like here, I'm gonna have to pick the pen up, try to get it right on the same spot, and come back around. So there we go. We have the entire outline, and then I'll screen record real quick. Next, you're gonna go into the website, and you're basically just going to take a picture of it, and it will vectorize it there. You can make some changes if you really want to, center line, outline, add or remove different parts of it, and then also smooth it out if you need to. After that, you're gonna just push done, push the check mark, and then you're gonna save it to your Shaper files after you rename it, and then we're gonna hop on the computer and do the next steps. After you get done taking the image on the phone, you're gonna go to hubshapertools.com right here. And this is kind of what it'll look like once you log in. You're gonna go up here to My Files, and here are all the different ones that I've done, but this is what we're looking at. It's just what I got done. JPP Oval 2, over here to Download. It's gonna go up into the downloads, and then I'm gonna go into Lightburn, because Lightburn is awesome, and import that SVG. And as you can see there is our vector. Now, one thing I do suggest is use the outside shape. So to make that jig, just make that into my cut line. But where are they at? So here I have the outline of the base plate. I just used the metal one that came with the F1. And then this is kind of what I created the jig to look like. The very first one was made out of like acrylic and MDF, and there was too much play, as you can see. So after that, I am able to export that shape that I liked, and then I go over here to Tinkercad, which is a free software also, I believe. And that's when you can start building it into a three-dimensional shape, and this is what I came up with. So, yeah. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll gladly try to help.